Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to display dynamic content on your product pages with Wix Studio CMS. So here I am in my Wix Studio website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So to do that, let's just click on Edit Site, and after you click it, it will automatically open in a new tab. So I have the tab already open right here. So here is my Wix Studio website, and it has a bunch of different products. So let's go to the product page. So just click on pages, and then let's go to the product page. So here is our product page, and then from here, we can display dynamic content by using the Wix Studio CMS. So for example, I will add a new section right here. And then let's first create a Wix Studio CMS. So let's just click on CMS right here on the sidebar, and then click on Start Now. So from here, for example, I will create a collection right here. So just go to your collections and create collections, and then I will start from scratch. So for example, I will put in this Wix Studio CMS is the team of creators of the product. So for example, I'll just name this team, click on create. Then from here, I will change the field type. So for example, I'll change the field name to name, and then description, and then the image. So I'll just use this. So for example, I'll just insert some names right here. For example, like that. And then, oops, sorry. Let's open the collection again. Then for example, I will say I will add some description right here. So you can put anything in here as long as it is related to your product. So for example, I have this description. Then I can also add their image. So I'll just add some example pictures right here. For example, this one. And then what we can do is that we can display this as a dynamic content inside of our product page. So since we already created the CMS, what we can do is that we can go here to CMS again, then click on add content elements, and then we will add here rich content. So from here, it is connected to our blank section, and then we will connect this to our CMS that we created earlier. Just go here, click add a dataset, and then team, and click on create. Then from here, we will insert some elements inside of this rich content. So for example, I can insert a repeater right here. So let's find the repeater. Then from here, I will connect this repeater into our team dataset. So I will just delete this one. So I'll just use the repeater. And then what we can do is that we can adjust the size. And then we will add an image right here. So a feature of a repeater is that if you add an element, it will be automatically added to all items in your repeater. Then from here, I'll just adjust the size vertically. And then I will add a title right here. And then a description. So from here, we will connect these elements right here to our CMS so that we can display the dynamic content. So for example, for the image, I will connect it to our image in the CMS. And as you can see, the image that we uploaded earlier is now in here. So now I will connect their names. So the text connects to the name and it will update right here. We now have Alex Doe, Jane Doe, and John Doe. And then for their description, we can just connect it to the description right here. And then adjust the size. And then that is it. This is an example of how we can use dynamic content inside of our product pages. So we can display different dynamic contents in here. So for example, I just entered the team members that is responsible for this website. So for example, you can also insert other content that explains the creation of your products, how your products was created, or you can also insert some frequently asked questions and so on and so forth. So you can use dynamic content in a bunch of different ways. So this is just an example of how I did it for this video right here. And then that is it. I hope you learned how to display dynamic content on product pages in Wix Studio using CMS. And thank you for watching.